The Silly Storyteller, Take 2. Recorded at Emily's Kitchen, Friday. I have a story to tell you all. Hard to tell where I heard it first. For sure, learn some storytelling trick. Everybody knows I can tell if it's real. I needed one for myself, my friend. Please don't talk me out of it. I know you would understand me. In time you'll know all the things I just said. Don't let me say words that are untrue. And please don't let me twist my stories, proving otherwise. Oh, what a shame if I will even take what is true, like the other stories that I've told. I like to offer a game or two. Nothing hard you can figure out. As I'm starting to forget things, oh, what a game we can all play right now. Don't let me say words that are untrue, and please don't let me twist my stories, proving otherwise. Oh, what a shame if I will even fake what is true, like the other stories that I've told. I'm the one, there is no other.